And we are happy because all the issues canvassed in the appeal were sufficiently and adequately resolved and pronounced upon by the Supreme Court, bringing to end the contentious issues that the parties have been disputing all this while. And as you would have noticed, all the issues were resolved in favor of the governor and the People's Democratic Party, and the conduct of the election as conducted by the Independent National Electoral Commission. As for the other states, the issues too were resolved against the appellants because the issues are interrelated. The issue of non-qualification, the issue of scoring more majority of lawful votes and not producing evidence. So basically, the Supreme Court has restated the law as we know them and brought to an end all these issues concerning election. We are happy for our clients.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Next question. Situation, the judgment today, are you pleased with it? Is it transparent, fair, and equity?
My name is Marvin Yubana. I'm the Director NGO for the Fubara Campaign Council in 2023 election. I am from Rivers State, Ogoni. The Supreme Court today has affirmed the mandate that the Rivers electorate gave to Sir Sim Fubara, the executive governor of Rivers State. Today, the Supreme Court has proven that the court is once again the last hope for the common man. Yes. It has shown that there's no tyranny, there's no oppression that can be brought to the temple of justice. Today, they have made it loud and clear and sounded it loud and clear that there can be only one governor in the state at a time. So we want to use this medium to appeal to our brothers who are fueling the embers of crisis in Rivers State to please concentrate on their job and allow the governor to concentrate on governance. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.